The Whitestone Premium Gen Film is one of the best screen protectors you can get for the inner screen of your Galaxy Z Fold 5. It is a film screen protector, but it has some properties of glass and feels just as smooth to touch. So I'm going to show you the full installation, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not this screen protector is worth your time. And if you guys want to pick it up yourself, I will be putting a product link in this video description. So let's get started. So we get an installation guide here. This is part of it. We get a squeegee, a foam bumper, and an installation packet along with the screen protector. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to put down your foam guide. Then you want to thoroughly clean off your screen with the alcohol wipe, then dry it off. Then you're going to take your installation guide, make sure that the posts down here are facing upward and towards you. Then take your phone, making sure that the cameras are towards the top, and put it into the guide. Then you can take your wipe and just press it into place. Then remove any dust you might see. Then take your posts, making sure that the bottom portion sticks into the little slot here. Just like that, press that into place. Now this is probably the most important part of the installation. When you take your screen protector, we're going to be peeling off the number 1 here. But when you peel it off, make sure it's underneath the screen protector and make sure that it doesn't peel off the screen protector with it. Very important. Once we've peeled that off, we're going to put the little holes, line them up with the posts on the guide. Then we're going to put the closest holes to you through the little posts on the guide here, not the small ones on the top, making sure that this does not touch the screen yet. So again, we're going to peel off that underside screen protector. Be very careful not to take up the screen protector with it. Then place the holes in the guide. Hold on to the bottom of the screen protector, then put the posts through the bottom holes here, just like that. Then you're going to take your squeegee. We're going to press down on the bottom here and squeegee all the way to the other end of the phone without stopping, making sure you put pretty good pressure down as well. Now continue to hold and release the screen protector from the posts. Then squeegee out any bubbles you might see. Then very carefully peel off the top protector, making sure it doesn't take the underside screen protector with it. And take off the bottom, and then you can take out your phone. Now it does look like we have some bubbles in the center of the screen protector. So future me here to give you an update on those bubbles in the crease. I did let my phone sit closed overnight, and when I opened it up in this morning, you can see that the bubbles in the crease are now totally gone. So if you do get any bubbles in the crease like I did, just know that they should disappear within a day or two. Now as far as touch goes, it is super smooth. It feels just like you're touching glass. Looks really nice. Other than those bubbles in the middle right here, there is no lifting around the edge of the phone. It looks perfect. As far as fingerprints goes, it doesn't seem to pick up fingerprints pretty much at all. There's super light smudges, but you really can't see, so that's definitely good too. And again, as far as touch goes, touch working perfectly fine. It is so smooth, guys. This is really, really nice. Like I said, it's got the touch and feel of glass. It is so smooth. Yeah, no problems there, and it's crystal clear. Let's test out the camera. Camera looks fine, nice and clear. No issues there. So now let's fold it up for the very first time and we'll see what happens. So again, no lifting. As you can see, some of the bubbles in the middle have disappeared, except for that one right there. Installation was not hard at all, and it looks absolutely beautiful on the phone. You have to feel this for yourself. It is so smooth. If you're looking for a perfect replacement for the screen protector that came on the phone, I would definitely recommend the Premium Gen Film, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. So if you guys want to pick this up yourself, I will be putting a product linked in the video description. And if you guys like the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.